this is the Hollywood style vanity light kit I got from Amazon. And the lights came in here, so I already took those out. Here is the power cord. So let's see if these are what they say they are. And this is, I'm guessing, the power cord. Next to this, here are their lights. Okay, so this one I guess goes to this. So I heard a lot of people saying that the little sticky things that the lights attach to do not stay very long. Mine are stuck on this piece of paper. Okay. Oh, I got one already stuck on here. Okay, so I'm going to start to apply these stickies on each one of these. I wouldn't take the other piece off. I would press down really, really well, because I heard that people have had them falling off the next day. Just pressing very firmly to make sure it sticks. If not, then I'll get Velcro from like Home Depot. Okay, let's see. Oh, we're missing one here. So I think this is the 10 bulb. Yeah, this is the 10 mirror light bulbs. So they all have, nope, one missing here. Okay, so they all have them here. So now we're going to, I want to apply them, I hope you can see, to this mirror here, because this is my background for my videos. I'm going to remove these so nothing doesn't fall on. So this is the first one. And I'm going to start on this corner, then I guess I will go around. So I'm just taking the little sticky off. And I'm going to just press very firmly. Then I will take this sticky off. Now these you can roll around the bulb so you don't have a lot of cord like showing in between. So I'm just gonna roll and roll. pushing very firmly. So let's just bring this a little closer. This is where you need to be. So I'm just going to take this one and I'm going to apply it here, but I'm going to roll this cord around this light, test it and see. Okay, I think that's good. I'm just pressing firmly. So now we're going to take this one. I'm gonna put it here. One more. And what you can do is just take it and just turn it, and then both cords go inside. Space these out. So we put one here, then one here, then here, and there. Put two on the bottom here. Try to line it up with those two up there. I think I'll try to make this one go down because the cord, since the cord is here, try to make it facing down, I guess. They don't, the sticky stuff is definitely an issue, that's for sure. Okay, so I'm going to plug these up and see what they look like. Oh, these are nice. Now, Okay, so there's no dimmer on here. What do you guys think? These are not too bad. Not too shabby. I think it'd be nice for a background. Can't complain. And they're pretty bright, but it's just for the background. I do have this one here, which is, you know, very bright. But I have this one over here. It's not suitable for my desk. So I'm happy with them. It was about $30, I believe, for the 10 bulbs. So I'm happy with the product.